Today I am going to speak about a disease which is really spreading throughout the globe and is a major cause of life loss, health loss, and the biggest of all, stress for people suffering from it. And that is hepatitis. Primarily I will be speaking about hepatitis B, which is the most common of these hepatitis. Now, the first thing which I want to tell anyone who has been diagnosed from hepatitis B is, do not worry, because the moment a person is labeled as being hepatitis positive, he is told about a number of things. This virus is going to destroy your liver and various other things. The biggest thing which we are to remember over here is being hepatitis positive and having hepatitis are two entirely different things. When I say about being hepatitis positive, it means that the virus from somewhere has gained access into your body. But the biggest important thing to note over here is it may remain inside your body without causing any kind of harm to you throughout your life. Yes, it's absolutely true. Thousands of people suffering from hepatitis virtually go undiagnosed, because it's not that if it's inside your body, it is going to cause hepatitis. Now, having hepatitis is something different. Having hepatitis means that the virus which went inside your body has now started inflaming your liver and has gradually inflamed the liver to that an extent that it can no longer meet the demands of the body. But then it is in rare cases that it happens. At least 90% of the patients who approach their doctors, who even approach me, are actually hepatitis positive. They are not suffering from hepatitis. Yet, so much of fear is filled in their mind by the doctors that you are hepatitis patient and this and that is going to happen to you. So my friends, what I want to tell you over here is, if you are hepatitis positive, do not worry. This was the first thing. The second, yes, obviously, you can get rid of that virus out of your bodies. And for that, there are so many things mentioned in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, when we talk about hepatitis, Kamala is a condition which is compared to hepatitis. And when we are to treat a patient who is just hepatitis positive, all that we need to do is we are to fight with that virus with the help of our antiviral herbs, then secondly immunomodulator herbs, and thirdly habitat destruction herbs. These are the three combinations which are to be used in a hepatitis patient. Along with this, a mild care for the liver is given. See, what happens is, if we know that there is a virus inside the body which can be at some stage causing some harm to our liver, we need to give it some protection. So major work being fighting with the virus and minor work being protecting the liver. When both these go hand in hand, right from the very first month, in most of those who visit us, they can see a marked reduction in their viral loads. Now, viral load tells how much virus is active inside your blood. But then what you have to remember is, there are so many doctors in this world who will bring the viral load to non-detectable, that is negative range, and will tell you we have cured you out of your hepatitis. That is wrong. And reducing viral load, bringing it down to non-detectable range, that is important. But if we are to really get rid of hepatitis, it means the HBsAg, which is known as the Australia antigen, should become negative. That is what we focus on. That is why when we are giving treatments in hepatitis to our patients, we keep an eye on HBsAg titer values. Another thing which I always mention to all those friends who follow me for Ayurveda is Ayurveda is a science which can be utilized by the poorest of poor, by the middle class and the richest of richest persons. The choice of herbs, the quality of herbs might be different. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it, and also don't forget to enable the notifications so that in my upcoming series, when I am talking about the herbs which are beneficial in hepatitis, which you can take right at your own places, you are able to follow it and you are able to come out of those diseases. Along with that, in case you need our help, our experts are available 24/7. We are having our mobile app on the name of ND Care at Google Play Store. Those using iPhones, within a week we are rolling out the iPhone version for the app too, but for the time being it's available on Google Play Store. You can download the app, you can share your reports, you can get to a doctor through it. And if you want to discuss something with me, once in 7 days I get live on my YouTube channel, just because I want to answer your queries. I would love to answer your queries. So enable the notification, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for that live where I am more than willing to interact with you, to answer your questions, so that with the help of Ayurveda we can say goodbye to hepatitis. Thank you.